Good afternoon. 25 October 23. I give to him the message 128 country electronic with him. See this one property? Nobody responsible in this country. I buy the jungle restaurant barn over there. That time in a TV channel they give to him the news with helicopter with him. Franklin Township, 10 Cedar Grove Lane. I bad luck I come in this country. 40 years. My father kidney sold. 6 business in this country they shut down. Who make the deed? MS4.com Indian company. Fake. MS4 Indian Sikh PM Manmohan Singh's daughter Amrit Singh, female. After fake FBI, they have a lot of attack. They put it on the surveillance in this property. Where I am the Gursurinder Binglia, Jaswinder Binglia murder. They have surveillance system activity used in South Plainfield 3046, 3047. I have a lot of experience on my life. We put it on a little paper in the ground. We go in the home after South Plainfield Township. Surveillance activity use, they take off the paper in the ground. Who give to him the permission? South Plainfield Township surveillance using activity right now. In my house, they using surveillance activity where I am the live. They have military system in the United States. Who give to him the permission after nobody responsible in the surveillance? Anybody has a damage in the United States history. You people, Iraq, Libya, Afghanistan damage. You people, crime in United States grow up in the shoulder. Prime Minister, President each, they rated on who ladies they gave him the birth. School, college, after politics, they rated on history. My history in Somerville court, they put it on the name Atwadi electronic with him. I have a lot of patient. My father said, you have any problem? Right way talk to him sorry. In United States FBI, they never talk to him sorry. Just he running with corruption, money, murder, stolen with him in the Randa country and department running. Judge said, you talk to him truth. You write it down. Million people kill him. I talk to him truth. I have a lot of experience using in United States government fail. Like a mad TV channel sex scandal. ABC, they get in the news sex scandal. Now, Sasi Kant, when they have signature, this property deed, after where he go, they change the deed. Dr. Clock, they catch him. I talk to him. India, Hindu system, religion. They talk to him the truth. How can we make the religion? In Sri Lanka country, yesterday they have Dasara. Shri Ravanji, his sister, they have beautiful king over there, his sister. Hindu people, they play the gambling. After cut his neck, his ladies, his sister, after they have fighting. 1984 they put it on the sick people, they necklace they have burn up. Godhra Kand with him, Barack Obama, they have help over there, Narendra Modi. They give to him the VIP after he come out of country. One restaurant, Hindu congressman, they kill his wife after roast in the tandoor with him. Everything video surveillance system. One Surinder Kohli, he 30 or 25 children eat like a Africa country or Andaman Tapu. They have eat man, children eat. After Kohli, where is in India Rashtrapati, I don't know, his man has died. They release him, where is man eat guy. This is Hindu religion history. Where is Sikh religion history? Sansang Chadwal, this property, Apendra Chupkula, how many government officers are involved? What they are doing, just a little thing with him, they are fell down in this property with him. Judge John Robert, Mark Whitestone, he make the deed. Official sue, they take it. His country history. Barack Obama, they punch his face. They have history of United States. After Barack Obama, he don't know nothing. How much his range go out. Joe Biden has house evening time shooting. They are government employee. They are responsible. They are not responsible. Prime Minister, President, they have lot of security. I don't know who is resolving Pinglia brother case. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Asthan. I need earthquake in the United States. Where is this one hotel? They have live over there people. This is a police sergeant property in Franklin Township. I bring over there trailer. When they buy the property, his son, they put it on the my truck trailer potty over there in the United States history. In Franklin Township. How many Franklin Township with him get the corruption money each officer? Check his history. How can we make in crime in this country corruption with him? Corruption, when they have AIDS, they have treatment. Mental, they have treatment. Corruption has in the United States no treatment. Corruption day by day grow up. In this property, corruption with him, they close. How many officers they get in the ticket? They have history, how much they get the commission. This is bad luck in the United States, electronic with him. They damage dollar, country damage history. We are never damaged. They catch him here, early morning, after take South Plainfield Township. I live over there. They have Zurich police officer, 3046, 3047. They give to him the lot of ticket. How much in his life crime with him, they get the commission. Each police officer, they have history. He got the commission. Pinglia brother, how can we damage in South Plainfield Township? Electronic, very dangerous. No need gun. They shoot him by electronic with him. Surveillance, scanner system in the United States and world country. In AIDS, coming in the Afghanistan, yeah, Libya, Iraq, now in the Palestine, Israel over there, they have lot of people die. War with him. In war, coming in the United States. I don't know how can we I come in this country. This is bad luck. I am coming in this country, dangerous country. Like a Atbadi in the United States, terrorism country. Anywhere, any country use my video. Where I am the murder or crime. They give to him the lot of ticket. In United States history, they have proof. Prime Minister, President, how can we get the corruption other country? Just tank, gun, bomb, they making the deal. In this property with him, make the deal after they close the property. Grass, never. How many police officers coming in this country walking in this town? Now nobody responsible. MS4 crime grow up. Sansing Chadwal with him make the deal, nuclear deal, tank deal, gun bomb deal. Where I am the make the murder in this country. You people, strange blood inborn in this country. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad time coming. 25 October 23. Electronic with him. Now I remember John Gaddy. John Gaddy has a family. In United States politics, they are hungry. He need free food, sex, hotel, motel. You approach with him, John Gaddy. Please make hotel, motel anywhere in the United States. Say this one, they have no responsible. I drive every day trailer in the morning. I go to the port over there, Elizabeth Port. Where I am the threat and a murder crime, I never crime. Every day, police, sheriff police, local police over there. I never threaten nothing. You people, Pendra, ya Cory Booker, ya other politics, they are hungry this property. They sue case take. When they have how many officers coming here? They close the property, internet with them. We put it on the camera over there. Everything surveillance system. How many officers they have involved this property? Franklin Township, Somerville Court. Freeze company, they give to him a lot of benefit. Pinglia brother, they have truck trailer over there. They sample our roof after company grow up. BR, all sources, South Plainfield Township and Franklin Township. They have income sources close. You have power, you close the oxygen one day. You throw in the atom bomb in United States on yourself like a 9/11. You people very dangerous in this country. Prime Minister, politics and election commission. We have Democrat party help. We knows where is the Democrat Atwadi. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad time coming. Technology with him. They have everybody making video. No more TV channel sex scandal like a bad ABC channel. Thank you, bye. Anywhere, any federal court use my video. Where I am the murder or crime. Resolve my case. This is your bad luck. I making movie. Bad time coming. You people, anybody murder crime after give to him. FBI department job. Pinglia brother engaged. How many people you using murder crime people? You give to him benefit, necklace they give him. Gaddafi, you Susu, they put it on the 5 shooting over there by gun. Now who get the corruption money? You shoot him, spear, flag over there, my hand. Barack Obama, remember, you damage, you coming in the Edison. How many property you have? Corruption money, stolen money. Each prime minister, president, Manmohan Singh has how much corruption money? Ida Atwadi, you red carpet with him walking. History, they everybody nice people, they write it down. Where prime minister, president, they get the corruption money. Everybody, now they have go to duty off, go home. Good luck in the country. They are very dangerous people. They get a lot of ticket. They school, hotel, motel, prime minister, president, they are partnership. Thank you, bye. See my face? We are three brother early morning wake up. I drive every day port, Newark port. Jaswinder Benglia, he go to the everyday motor vehicle, car instructor. Third brother is the mechanic over there. Evening time, he's tired up, come back home. Where I am the threatened nonsense people born in this country. They are very dangerous Atwadi United States people. Now this property with him, Sukhwinder Pinglia, 40 years. They Chimba Jati, Amarjit Singh Jaspal, his Aukat, ya Jat Path, they cancel. Now in your Aukat, with you walking. In your heart, crime, in your walking with him. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad time coming in this country. I am coming. Thank you. See my face? Who said I am the Atwadi? You have no knowledge. One day, your bad time coming. You are the Atwadi people.